Okay, so for this last one, I've already gone ahead and graphed our two linear equations from the previous slide. Um, First of all, we're going to answer a couple questions here. So the first question is, one, how many 3-point questions and how many 6-point questions are on the math test? So if we look at where the two lines intersect, we can see they intersect at this point, 35, 15. And if you remember from the previous slide, we said X was the number of 3-point problems. So there's going to be, to answer question 1, 35 3-point questions. And then Y was the number of 6-point questions. So there will be 15 6-point questions. And then 2, what do you think the difference is between solving equations with one variable and solving systems of equations with 2 variables and 2 equations? And really, this is important to understand the difference. When you're solving something that just has one variable in it, you literally only have to tell me what that variable is. So a lot of times in the previous slides, when we had one equation that we split up into 2 equations and then graphed each of those individually, we were only really interested in what that one variable's value was. However, when we have a system of equations, we have to be able to identify the value of both of the variables that show up. So in the original system, if you have X and Y, then we need to make sure that we have a value for both X and Y when we finish solving that equation or that system of equations.